this is B. Vinita of MSS final year. Now I am going to explain about inheritance and types of inheritance in C++. Inheritance is most important feature in object-oriented programming language. Now I am going to explain about the inheritance. It is the relationship between two or more classes. Derived class inherits the properties of base class is known as inheritance. Here A is base class and B is derived class. Derived class inherits the base class means here B inherits the properties of A, and I define the base class. Base class means properties which are inherited by another class is known as base class, and base class is also known as superclass and parent class. Now derived class inherits the properties from base class means from it takes the properties from A, so it is known as derived class, and derived class is also called as subclass or child class. Now I'll explain about types of inheritance. In inheritance we have 5 types: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, radical inheritance, and multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Now I am going to explain you about single inheritance. A derived class only with one base class is known as single inheritance. Here A and B. A is the base class and B is the derived class. Now multiple inheritance. A derived class with several multiple base classes is known as multiple inheritance. Here A and B are base classes. Here C inherits the properties of two base classes. This is known as multiple inheritance. Now hierarchical inheritance. When more than one class is derived from one base class is known as hierarchical inheritance. Here A is the base class and B, C, D are the derived class. These three derived classes are inherits the properties of A. Next I am going to explain you about multi-level inheritance. The mechanism of deriving a class from another derived class is known as multi-level inheritance. Here A, B, C. A is the base class, B is the derived class, C is the derived class. Now here B inherits from A and C inherits from B. This is known as multi-level inheritance. Now I am going to explain you about hybrid inheritance. The combination of single and multiple inheritance is known as hybrid inheritance, or else we will also define as it involves more than one inheritances into it is known as hybrid inheritance. Here A is the base class, B, C is the derived class, and this derived class act as a base class and gives the derived class D. This is known as the hybrid inheritance. So this is about inheritance and types of inheritance. And thank you, ma'am.